Hello, I welcome you to the Estuar Show, and today we are going to discuss about the option buying and option selling, and we'll be understanding this with the help of an example. Okay, and let's start without any delay. Okay, for example, Nifty is trading at 14,500. So this is the current price of Nifty, and we have two persons. First one is an option buyer, and second one is an option seller. Okay, and the option buyer has a view that Nifty will go up and it will cross 15,000. So, or maybe option buyer thinks that the market will move up. So because the option buyer thinks market will move up, so he will buy call option, and he has bought call option of 15,000. And option seller, he thinks that the market may move up but it will not cross 15,000, so he has sold 15,000 call option. So now we'll be discussing the different possibilities and probabilities in different scenarios, and how the option buyer and option seller will benefit or will be at loss from the different probabilities. Okay, probability number one. The first probability may be that Nifty goes down heavily. So it goes down heavily. Option buyer who has bought call option will be at loss. Option seller will be at profit. Probability number two, Nifty goes down a bit. It moves down but a bit. So option buyer will be at loss and option seller will be at profit. Probability 3, Nifty goes up a bit. So the option buyer may be at loss also. The option buyer may be at break even, or option buyer may be at small profit. Option seller, he may be at break even or small loss, or maybe at small profit also. Probability 4, Nifty goes up and expires below 15,000. So the option buyer will lose the entire capital. Option seller will make full profit because he had sold 15,000 call option and it expired below 15,000. Probability 5, Nifty goes up rapidly and expires at 15,200 but before expiry. Profit, yes. This is the only situation, probability 5, where the option buyer will make good profit, and the profit points will be Nifty current price minus 15,010, because 15,010 is the break even for the option buyer. Loss, and option seller will be at loss, Nifty current price minus 15,010. So out of 5 probabilities, only the one probability is in favor of the option buyer, and option seller will make profit in 4 out of the 5 situations. I'll not be giving you any view about option buying and option selling, so you yourself can make out what is good and what is bad for you. Okay, option buying versus option selling. Option buyer, limited loss and unlimited profit, yes. So option buyer, if you buy any option for 10 rupees, it can become 0, it cannot go negative. So for option seller, yes, the maximum profit is 10 rupees. If option seller is selling any call or put, so the maximum profit is the premium amount, and if it is 10, so maximum is 10, and the loss is unlimited. If the call or put moves up, so it can move to any extent, so that is why the option seller is having probability of unlimited loss. Margin required is very low in case of option buying. Margin required in case of option selling is very high, but there are options. You can give collateral and can reduce your margin requirement. Probability of profit is low, yes. If you are buying options, probability of profit is low, but there are chances you can make very heavy profit, good profit, but the probability of making profit is low. Probability of making profit is very high in option selling, but you make small profit. Both high level of expertise is required to make profit. Yes, you need to have high level of expertise because the trade should move in your favor, and that also the moment you take the trade, so you cannot give more time or much time for the trade to come to your favor, because before the expiry it should move in your direction or in your favor. Option selling, low expertise is required to make profit, yes, but the risk is also high. You make profit, chances very high, but you make small profit. But if the situation goes against you, then you need to know how to handle the situation appropriately. For that you require good knowledge of option selling. Fifth point is for option buyer, not good for service class people. Yes, it is not good for service class people because you cannot monitor the screen all the time. And option selling, yes, it is good for people who cannot devote much time, because you don't require to see the screen time and again. So you can after 3-4 hours you can see if the situation is good. So that way you can trade easily by option selling. Sixth difference is trade should move in your favor to make profit. Yes, it is very true. If you have bought the option, so the trade should move in your favor, that also in very less time. You may say that instantly it should move in your favor, you make profit even if the direction is neutral. Yes, it is true. If you have sold the option and the market is range bound, the share is range bound, then also make profit. For option buyers, it is like they cannot hedge the position, but in option selling, if the trade goes against you, you can also hedge your position by taking appropriate trades. So you can cover your losses as well, and sometimes, and most of the times, you're very expert in that, you can convert your loss making position into profit position by hedging your positions. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.